In the Ice Age, you don't survive by being the strongest. You survive by being the smartest. He could not carry everything on his back. So he cut 2 young trees and shaped them into a simple V-shaped drag frame. He twisted cleaned animal gut, sinew, and rawhide into natural cordage, then tied the frame tightly by hand. This was not a cart. It was a moving camp, a way to carry fire, tools, hide, and food across the Ice Age. A 1-ton giant falls, but its flesh belongs to a starving pack of prehistoric wolves. Dragging meat through deep snow cost more energy than the hunt itself. Each step sank into the frozen ground. A kill only mattered if it could be carried, protected, and eaten before the night or scavengers took it away. He finally brings a heavy piece of meat back to the mammoth bone shelter. With a sharp stone flake, he cuts only what he needs. In the Ice Age, meat was not just food. It was heat, strength, and another day of life. Over the fire, the fat begins to melt. The smell of roasted meat rises into the freezing air, while wind screams through the bones of the shelter. For a moment, the world becomes quiet. He eats slowly, saving energy with every bite. Outside, the cold keeps tightening around the camp. Inside, the fire, the bones, and the meat hold him alive. When his body finally warms, exhaustion takes over. He falls asleep beside the dying embers. The cold wakes him before sunrise. At nearly minus 40 degrees, torn clothing can become a death sentence. His old hide layers no longer hold the heat. Inside the shelter, he finds a large animal skin, heavy, rough, but still useful. Using a bone awl and sinew thread, he begins to stitch the hide into a new outer layer. It is not clothing for comfort. It is insulation. For prehistoric humans, survival often meant repairing the body's second skin before the cold reached the real one. hunt begins at a distance. Across the snowfield, a large wild bovid is already surrounded by wolves. They do not attack all at once. One after another, they rush in, testing its strength, forcing it to turn, bleed, and tire. This was how pack hunters worked in the Ice Age, not through one clean strike, but through pressure, fear, and exhaustion. At last, the animal collapses into the snow. That is the moment the man has been waiting for. He lights a large torch and moves toward the kill. Fire changes the balance immediately. The wolves pull back from the heat and smoke. He does not defeat the pack by strength alone. He uses flame, timing, and courage to take the prize they brought down. Frostbite is a silent killer. Losing his grip on the blade means losing his life. But ancient hunters knew a brutal, life-saving secret. The belly of a fresh kill is a primal natural furnace. After days of starvation, the ultimate reward, pure animal fat. Thousands of calories to reignite the human engine. The frozen earth becomes his vault, the first freezer in human history. Sealed with freezing water, an impenetrable shield of ice concrete. The hunger is silenced, but survival is a moving target. The Great Freeze is coming. To survive the abyss of winter, he must wear the armor of giants.